Welcome back to another banger video, but we have something else in hand. Literally. This charging cord has been heating up so much, it'll boil my spit. Like, you hear that? What the fuck's the microphone doing? So this is exactly what you shouldn't do. You should not hold the fucking head. Oh! Ooh, I'll be back. I'm just getting another thicker gloves. Alright guys, we have armored gloves. Okay, is it still hot? No. Ouch! Ow! Fuck. Okay, so yeah. So basically what we're gonna do today is rip the fucking charging shit off. Oh, yeah. Pretty sure the inside of it is melting. Do not try this at home. I don't even know how that's happening, but like, just don't do it, okay? You stupid immigrant. You stupid African bull frog. Like, guys, like, just, no. I'm no one, so no one in, no. No insults, but like, God. Fuck. Like Davy Allen go. All outside in game and joy. Fuck. But, oh my God, I can feel it through my glove. And this thing is like thick as a nail on gone. It's starting to make the sounds. Disable in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh. We just wait a bit. Ouch. So it's gonna be so loud. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna cut until something interesting happens. It's smoking! It's smoking! Don't try this at home. Don't try that at home either. Holy shit. It's smoking. So guys, remember, do not try any of this at home, you smart people. You very smart people. Please, guys. I am very smart sometimes, but like, our charging cord's supposed to smoke, so I'm just gonna wait a bit. Okay, guys, just stay. New update. The black part here is like squishy. Like, not at all. Like, it's supposed to be very little bit squishy, but like, it's like that. Doogie. I'm bored. I came back with a glass of water. Bottle of water. Can you get a glass of water? 3, 2, 1. Well, don't touch this. Whoa, whoa! Stop doing illegal stuff. Fuck. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, you hear that? It's a... So like a illegal sound, more like it. I'm not gonna touch this water. This is a very, very bad biohazard, by the way. Do not do this. I'm just gonna... I'm dumb, like... Man, I know I'm dumb, but like, I'm not dumb. So like, I'm kind of smart-ish. But not too dumbish. So like, smartishly dumb? Yeah, that's me. It's like, I'm not smart, but I'm also not dumb. But like, I do dumb stuff, like whatever the shit I'm doing right now. Like, what am I trying to do? Make math? I'm in the math lab. Somebody with a lolly. I'm in the math lab. Don't down my brother-in-law. I got cancer. I'm Heisenberg. Oh my god. We'll come back with part 2. This bullshit. Fuck. See you guys.